The story you are about to discover is Chores at Home, written by Nizzy Adams. On Maple Street, there was a cheerful yellow house where 4 children lived together: Lily, Noah, Emma, and Ben. Every morning, the house buzzed with energy, laughter, and just a little bit of chaos. But their parents had a rule: everyone had chores to do. At first, the children groaned. Chores didn't sound exciting at all. But something special happened every day that slowly changed their minds. One bright morning, Lily jumped out of bed and rushed to the window. Sunlight spilled across her messy blankets, reminding her it was time to make her bed. As she pulled the sheets tight and stacked her pillows, her room suddenly felt calm and cozy. "It looks like a bedroom," she said proudly, feeling like she won a tiny race. Down the hall, Noah stood in the bathroom, brushing his teeth with extra care. He made funny faces in the mirror, declaring, "Healthy teeth help me eat healthy breakfasts." Emma laughed as she brushed her own teeth, racing him to see who could sparkle the most. Soon, delicious smells drifted from the kitchen. Noah was on a stool, helping crack eggs, while Emma stirred pancake batter. Lily set the table, placing napkins just right, and Emma poured juice carefully. Working together made breakfast feel like a fun project. When they finally sat down, the food tasted even better because they had made it themselves. After breakfast came dish duty. At first, Ben sighed, but then the sink filled with warm water and soap bubbles. Emma pretended the bubbles were tiny planets, and Noah made a game of who could dry dishes fastest. Soon, laughter echoed, and the sink was empty and shining. As the day went on, more chores appeared. After playtime, Lily announced, "5-minute toy rescue." Music played, blocks were stacked, dolls were tucked away, and cars zoomed into bins. When the timer ended, the room was clean, and the children cheered like champions. Later, Emma helped fold laundry, carefully matching socks. Noah lined up shoes by the door, and Ben wiped the table after lunch. Each chore was small, but together they made the house feel warm and welcoming. At the end of the day, the children sat together, tired but happy. They realized something important: chores weren't just work. They were a way to help each other and show love for their home. Every made bed, washed dish, and brushed tooth was a step toward growing stronger and more responsible. That night, as the house grew quiet, the children climbed into their neat beds. Lily smiled, Noah yawned, Emma hugged her pillow, and Ben whispered, "We did a lot today." And they had. The house rested peacefully, ready for another day of small chores, big teamwork, and growing hearts. Hope you enjoyed the story. There are many more to explore. Want more stories? We've got you. Scan the QR code or check the description to discover more amazing books from Learn 3 Stars. Share this video with parents, friends, and anyone who loves meaningful stories. Make sure to like and subscribe and join our learning adventure for more stories, songs, and fun.